the star really a keep up with down at Jamaica? If I look like anybody related to Mackerel or Ladesha, automatically get a feature. Mother Mackerel come out, Father Mackerel come out, I'll step Mother Mackerel, and everybody just a quarrel. Them say a two sides to a story, but a four gone so far, and we might soon hear from the brother and the baby next car. Me not put it past the star. What a piece of real life drama. It's a yard style soap opera. For the whole Jamaica want set laws and rules over one teenager and her own vagina. What a way everybody up in the girl life like how blackhead up in some people face. I conduct research and I play psychologist. And I try bring down disgrace. Look at Uno too. I try bring down the girl for the errors of her past. And she had the first teenage mother and she certainly won't be the last. How much of Uno mother have Uno so young? Uno could have passed his sister. How much of Uno pregnant from so early? And I don't even know the pooper. Give the girl a break. Stop for Mark Ladesha so hard. Focus on the problem them while you have a fool yard. Uno keep on and say the girl need help. Uno can't help nobody. All you know for the run on the blasted mouth pan people and them calamity. Hold up your head, Mackerel. No make nobody bring you down. For enough of them get pregnant and them never bring it home. It's not the end of the world. No watch people on their mouth. Enough people just bad man and envious ever since Goody come out. She can't undo the past. That's why she left it behind. And somehow you want to pretend for help her or you come like a time machine. That's why you keep going back in time. And that's a dig up the girl private life. All up in her storybook. And if no skeletons in her closet is not a very good look. I true she don't know for fashion word like clothes. And dress some of Uno down to size. She don't need nobody approval. She an adult. She free to live her life. When you love can dictate to people how to live their life. Like I say, you get morals and values to sell. And somehow not perfect as you is. I don't know where you go. Because God don't want to know for heaven. And Satan don't want to know to hell. All you, Madam Mackerel, come out in a waddy as clips like I say about England. And in your next appearance, you finally show your true self. And I make excuse but say people don't understand. But me understand you. For fear English never trick me. For once my dear alone can't wrong in our relationship. Take some responsibility. No wonder why the little girl did runway. Come here with a runway too. For live with somebody so I go on like that so perfect. Not even Jesus Christ himself could have lived with you. You're worse than Dalton, mother. For at least she did say in the video so she love him. All I know, that can't come out of your mouth. Please. You're not even trying. You have a nerve. I talk say Jamaican mothers no hug and kiss. Mrs., talk for yourself in your chat. For my auntie what grow me at 80 and she hug and kiss me enough time and me hug her and kiss her back. You think say you're too big for say sorry? Oh, I forgot. You're never wrong. You really need to examine yourself. You're lacking compassion. Any day you get old and can't manage to take care of yourself. Ladesha goodly board you off in a one golden age home. You never teach her nothing else. You ship her off from such a tender age. Wanna barely get for bond. I know you come as clips and a carry on and a behave shock. How you make the pitney catch, man? You claim Sarah father did touch her. And you lied to Sissoko for protect the father instead of protecting your daughter. Then if you can lie to the government, according to you, why me should I believe anything you say? You could be lying to us too. Stop use legally blind as excuse because you don't need to have sight for wrong emotional abuse. Anyway, people, right about now, guess what gonna happen? Me I go call the star and me I go tell them, say me a Mackerel cousin. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's Androma!